Dada, the anti-art movement. Dada emerged in the early 20th century as a radical, anti-art movement that rejected traditional concepts of beauty, reason, and order. Born out of the chaos of World War I, Dadaists sought to challenge the political and social norms of their time, promoting spontaneity, absurdity, and irrationality. Artists like Marcel Duchamp and Man Ray created works that were often nonsensical, provocative, and deliberately unconventional. One of Dada's most famous works, Duchamp's Fountain, epitomized the movement's emphasis on challenging traditional notions of art. Dada embraced chance, randomness, and the idea that art could be anything, including objects of everyday life. The movement profoundly influenced later avant-garde movements like Surrealism, paving the way for questioning artistic boundaries and redefining what art could be.